So in this video, we're going to be focusing on mixing and adding effects and automation in VCV Rack. We'll be using a patch that we developed in a previous video where we have two synth voices running with their own little sequencer. If you want to watch that video, the link is in the description below as well as the card up at the top. However, you really don't need to get what we're going to be doing in this video. And don't forget, guys, if you like the video, definitely hit that like button. Comment below about effects that you like to do, chains that you like to put in there. And if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. All right, for starters, we're going to have to do a little bit of rearranging here. We're going to need to move this mixer to the other side, which I'll explain why in a minute. We're going to go ahead and move this over here. Now, we'll go down to mixers, and we're going to add the expander to this. So the reason I had to put it over here, I'll show you. So when I move this over, you'll see the line go away. And that's not a graphical glitch, that's the way this is designed. See, if I go on the other side, I have a line, but when it's on this side, they are basically act as one unit. They're wired together in the back, so to speak. Now, the first thing I want to do is add just a little bit of some good old-fashioned effects. Let's add some delay. And let's go ahead and pop in a reverb as well. Now this delay and reverb, let me give you the names. The delay is the All Right Devices Kronos Blob 2, and the reverb is Valley Plateau. Both pretty favorited amongst the scene. So the way that effects are going to be sent and return, you have your outputs here for the send. So we're going to go into here, and then out. Out. On here, we want to make sure our wet-dry mix is 100% wet. And then we'll make our connections here. Left, left, right, right. And then here, I'm going to take the dry completely out, and I'm going to turn the wet completely up. And let's bring our patch in. So the way the effects are, each channel has the 4 sends. This is channel 1. Let's add a little bit of that delay. That's kind of cool. Let's add to the other one. There's different ones here. I think I want to use. All right, that's not too bad. Let's add some verb. That's not too bad. Now, with these channels, there's many ways to create some automation, but it's kind of easily built in here. All we need to do is add some LFOs. Again, I'm going to just go down to hit reset and go to Bog Audio, and I'm just going to use one of their LFOs. Oh wait, that's... Try it again. Let's see. There's the LFO. And we'll need 2 of these, so I'm just going to hit Command Duplicate. Now the first one's going to go into here, and we're going to go to V for the volume. And I'll mute this one for now. Now you see how it's moving. Let me slow this down a little bit. Now you see that it only rises for half the cycle because it's only getting the positive side of the cycle. To fix that, we're just going to adjust the offset so that it's all the way up, and now you get up and down like that. Let's do the same over to this one. Disable the mute. I'm going to enable slow on this so I can just get a little bit of a... And this has a sync in. Let's sync it to our master clock here. I'm going to make this one a triangle. Kind of like the triangles. And there you have it. Very simple. Of course, if we keep adding voices, we can make this much, much larger. It'll just be a simple matter of copying and creating a new sequence and a new setup for that. But you can tell how much better it is versus what we were dealing with earlier. And that's going to do it for this video, folks. Just a really simple, quick video. 2 voices, 2 effects, 1 mixer. Not a bad patch. Don't forget, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment below. Let me know what kind of effects you like to use. And I'll see you guys in the next one.